Woo, hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals. Come to you live from Asia, guys. Did you miss me out there? Well, I'm back in the red chair of knowledge, in the driver's seat, back from Saigon. Had 2 days in Saigon and had to do a little bit of business down there. So I'm back, and I'm, spewing knowledge, guys, spewing knowledge. So we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Prepare now, get freaking prepared, guys, because I think good things are coming despite things looking kind of boring right now. We're gonna be talking about why is the Bitcoin price not moving? Why is Dogecoin price not moving? We're gonna be talking about some breaking news. Binance, there's some Binance FUD going on. Some really huge news that could affect crypto in a positive way. For Visa has just made this announcement, so we're gonna be talking about that. So we're gonna be talking about much more. So guys, buckle up. It's time to go down the crypto rabbit hole with OG. Remember, all this is financial advice. Just an OG in the house, guys. So what's been going on? We're seeing that this past month, we're seeing that most of the broader markets it's not been good. We're seeing a bit of a sell-off. And why we're seeing the sell-off? Why is the sentiment in terms of the broader markets not so good? And I'm going to tell you. I remember when the broader markets are bad and the sentiment is negative, it affects crypto. It definitely affects crypto. So we're going to be talking about that. So basically, we have been seeing a pretty solid tech sell-off all month. And some of the reasons we're seeing that the broader markets are not doing too good is one, fear over more rate hikes out there. That's inevitable. So we're definitely going to be seeing, the Fed coming out and saying, look, the inflation's still in the crapper, things are not good, and we're going to see a 25 basis point increase. That's not good. I mean, a lot of banks are suffering. Citibank stocks right now are at the lowest they've ever been. Will Citibank close? I don't know. I hope not. Most of my money's in Citibank here in Asia. So that's worrying. I'm worried, but luckily most of Citibank's business in Asia has been bought out by UOB. So we should be safe on that one. But a little bit of trepidation over there from that perspective. The other thing that's happening is we're seeing that the DXY, which is a basket of currencies compared to US dollar, is at 104.95. So let's call it 105. And that's not good. And we know that the DXY is inverse relation to Bitcoin. When the dollar strength is good, Bitcoin is down. And we're seeing that. We're seeing that, despite that, we had all of this BRICS nations and, the dollar is going to be left in the cold as the international currency of trade. But remember, even though there's a lot of talk about BRICS, that whole thing is really not going to happen for the next year or so. Sure, there's been some minor transactions, like India bought oil from Saudi paying in Indonesian rupiah, blah, blah, blah. So those are some of the things. Also, the biggest thing that you guys need to know is that oil price is one barrel of oil is at an all-time high. It hasn't been this high for 10 months. We're also seeing that the production of oil coming out of Saudi is low. So we're seeing that, there's also some fear that people are going to be paying more at the gas pump. So that's also, all of these things are kind of, kind of spooking the market, a lot of negative sentiment out there. So that's what's going on. Other stuff that's happening, we got this huge deal that's coming out. Hopefully you guys can see that. There you go. Huge deal. It looks like this huge deal. Visa reveals crypto payments bombshell that could cause Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, and Solana, price to go up. And what's happened for the first time is that now you can start to pay your credit card using USDC, which is a stable coin. But we believe, and a lot of people believe, that this is definitely going to allow for maybe crypto payments natively within Visa. So this is pretty good. This is some really breaking bombshell stuff out there. What else is happening news-wise? Did you guys know that on September 3rd, the number of Bitcoin holders reached 48.5 billion, exceeding the number of inhabitants of Spain. Guys, look, it's right here. Look, it's right there. You can see that? You see? Look at that. Wow. Some other stuff that's coming in Twitter-wise. We talked about the huge deal. Also, looks like there's been some FUD. There's been some FUD that Binance is losing its liquidity out there. So, looks like CZ, he came out and he commented about that, and he says, "This is FUD. This is baloney. It ain't true. Get out of there. Get out of there." So, a lot of stuff is going in. Looks like, as I talked about, Citibank's in the toilet. What else? Interesting. Looks like Binance. I'm reading. Looks like, hopefully you guys can see that Binance has removed support for Polygon. That's not a good look, and particularly Polygon NFTs. So that is pretty not good if you're a Polygon. Other Doge stuff. Yeah, Dogecoin and freaking moon, guys. New stuff is coming out. So all these kind of things are what's been spooking the market. And there's a lot of FUD surrounding Binance right now in terms of liquidity. I don't believe that Binance is going to go under, but with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, you've got to prepare, right? You've got to prepare now for the worst case. And I'm just not financial advice, but I'm definitely going to be taking a look at my portfolio, some of the crypto that I still have stuck on Binance, and I'm going to take what I would say is a self-protectionist stance, and I'm going to move most of my crypto that I have on Binance to my hardware wallet. Okay, that's what I'm going to do, or my trust wallet. But I'm definitely going to be moving some of my crypto that's on Binance to self-custody out there. So I'm not telling you to do that, but do remember, if Binance goes under, any of the crypto you have on there, you lose it. Other interesting news that came out today, let me see if I can find it, came out from Luno. And basically Luno, they said, look, it said here, this is it, okay? This is the article. Luno came out and said, hi Daryl, in order to prepare for upcoming regulatory changes in UK, we will be temporary pausing your ability to make new investments through Luno. You will be unable to buy or sell crypto as of 6th of October. They go on to say you'll still be able to sell your crypto for local currency, withdraw your funds, and send crypto to external wallets after this date. So it seems that something is going on with the regulators in the UK, because Luno, there's the email. Okay, it seems that Luno is going to stop. Not allow their customer base to buy crypto after the October 6th. So I don't know what's going on. They say it's temporary, okay? And I don't believe anything. When people say it's temporary bull beep out there. So prepare now, guys. Prepare now. Something's happening in the UK with the regulatory bodies. I'm not happy. I'm not happy about that. So let's talk about what's going on with the markets, and let's get out of here. So we got the big board out there. So we are seeing that most of the crypto is down. Okay, we're seeing that that Bitcoin again is down 1.71%, and that's at 25,800. And we did see Bitcoin had a nice healthy balance. Everyone was like, hooray, things are going up, and then we got slapped back down to HE double hockey sticks again. So that's not good. Ethereum is down 1%. That sucks. Well, BNB is also down 1.54%. Terrible. The good news is, we're going to be talking about Doge analysis in a second, prices. Doge right now is basically surpassed 88. Doge's market cap right now is 8.965 billion, where 88's 9.9626. So pretty close on each other's tail. We're seeing that Dogecoin, though, is only down 0.34%. Not too bad, 0.63624. But Dogecoin is still holding well. So prepare now, guys. Look. Bitcoin is down 1.68. Doge is not even down 0.5%. So that's good news out there. That's freaking good news. Freaking good news, guys. So let's take a look at some of what's going on with Doge, some of the predictions and analysts out there. So if we take a look at the Dogecoin, the price analysis right now, we can see that the the bulls definitely tried to push, and the bulls did push Dogecoin above the 20-day EMA on September 6th. But we can see that the bears, the nasty bears, they held their ground. So there's this whole fight here at 6 cents, around about 0.6 cents is this whole fight between the bears and the bulls. So we just need to get giddy up. But the good thing is they're not breaking down. This negative view will be invalidated in the near future if bulls kick and sustain the price above the 20-day moving average. Such a move would suggest the start of a stronger recovery to 7 cents. So we can see here that there's this whole fight here, and this is the 20-day EMA here. So we did get past that. We did get rejected, but we definitely need to get above this 20-day EMA on Dogecoin. And if that happens, that will validate a nice push to 7 cent area. So that's kind of what we're looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So from that perspective, do not be depressed. As I showed you, Dogecoin is performing better than Bitcoin. It's outperforming the market right now, and it's only down 0.34%. So that's looking good. Basically, bottom line, we need Bitcoin to make some moves that will help Dogecoin go up. But overall, Dogecoin is pretty good. We need to get ourselves above the EMA 20 out there. We'll do it. And we still have the Dogecoin tippy jar, which could happen, will happen. It's just a matter of time, time. So I'm not so worried about Dogecoin long term. Some people are asking me, oh, will Dogecoin get above 50 cents? Yeah, 100%. I believe it. It's going to happen after the Bitcoin halving, 2024. 50 cents, it's going to happen, guys. So I really think that, based on the fundamentals, based on what Dogecoin has done, I'm pretty confident that Dogecoin price will rise. And I believe that, at 0.63 cents right now, I think Doge is an incredible bargain right now. Incredible bargain. I even when we go down to 5 cents, I still think that Doge is an incredible pickup. I think as an altcoin, I believe that in the next bull run, Dogecoin is definitely going to, 3-4x from here, if not 10x, guys. So, buckle up, guys. Buckle up. $1. I still think we're going to get there. And if we get the amazing announcements from Elon Musk, and the big thing that's been really helping is this whole Elon Musk biography that's coming out on the 12th. Get that. And I think when that comes out, there's going to be a lot of bombshells revealed when it comes to Dogecoin. And I believe that overall, Dogecoin is going to be magnificent. Don't underestimate the Doge. Don't underestimate the Doge. And Elon Musk has been saying that for a long time. Do not underestimate. I can't get my words right. Yeah. So what's my plan today? It's Saturday here in Asia. I'm off to work. Got a hotel to run. Yeah. Just gonna be chilly willing out there. So I do apologize to the community for not making 2 videos for the last 2 days. I was at this international travel conference, and it was pretty, up early, back late, pretty grind stuff. And yeah, I was tired. My brain was full of stuff. So guys, I love you guys. Thank you to all the community out there. Thank you, YouTube, for giving us a voice. Thank you, everybody out there. Be blessed, be well. Remember, this ain't financial advice, but I'll tell you one thing, which is advice. I love you guys. Be blessed, be well, be safe, be perfect. Peace out.